Hello everyone, welcome to the third and final part of Microsoft Azure uh, communication services for email. So we have in the first part we have shown that how you can add your custom domain. In the second part we show that how you can configure the SMTP addresses for these services. So in the final part now I will show you how you can trace or track the email that had been sent by using these services. As you can understand that these services in Microsoft, that is you have to pay for per email. I mean if you say an email, it actually charges, and also it includes the attachment size of those emails. So it actually very important to know that how much email that you have been sent using these services. So by default there is no option to see this. You have to add an Log Analytics Workspace in order to achieve this. So I will show you one by one. Before that, let's go back to another finding, that is that by default when you enable these services, you can send an email is like 100 email per minute. So it is 100 email per minute. So it's like 2000 or roughly 3000 email per day. So as you take in these bulk mail services, it is not enough, because when a customer or when a organization they take a bulk email services, they tends to send email like thousands and hundreds of thousands of emails. So recently I have encountered with a customer, they are planning to send like 2 million email per day. So it's a huge number of emails. So if it's restricted by this limit, then like 100 email per minute, it's not gonna be a very feasible solution, right? So in this case, Microsoft support, they told us that Microsoft can increase this limit as per the business need. Let's say if it's an online, as a marketing company, they have to do an email marketing, then this such type of organization, they can apply to adjust their limits. So how you can do that? You have to raise a Microsoft support ticket with this specific information. So once you provide those information, Microsoft support personnel, they will personally review this. This is not reviewed by any AI or any bot. It will be reviewed by the person, and once they verified that your domain, your organization, they will increase the limit as per your need. So this is the format that you can this is available in Microsoft. I will share this link to the description. You can just copy this one and then give the information like this, and create the support ticket. So coming back to our email the tracking. So as you can see, if you click on your Azure email services, you there is an option for monitoring. So it's insights. If you click on insight, it will show you your communication services overall reports. So we are using only email option, so we click on email, and as you can see in here, it will show absolutely zero, nothing. But we did send some emails, right? So we have sent some emails, so it should be shown in here, but it is not shown in here, because to view these records, we had to enable diagnostic settings and have to enable the log management workspace. So log analytics workspace, sorry. So how you can do that? You go to diagnostic settings, you click on plus add a diagnostic settings. In here you give it a name, ACS so what kind of logs that you wanted to take. Is all log don't necessary, because we are only taking we are only using email services, right? So let's click the email logs, like email services send, mail logs, email service delivery status update logs, and email services user engagement logs. So you can just select these three and send to the log to analytics workspace. Click on in here. So there is a log analytics workspace. This is a default workspace that I have, so I'm just using my default workspace. Now I click on save. If you don't have this default workspace, you have to use create one. So this is like log analytics workspace. I'm just using the in a different tab. So I have a default workspace. Before in here I've been working is in another project. So you can create a new one. So for your understanding, we just need we will create a new one. We are using the same resource group. Give it a name. Let's give it also communication log. Click on review and create. Click on create. So it is a pay-as-you-go model. So please bear in mind that it is not included to the pricing, like the send email and it is attachment size. There are three kind of pricing that you have to deal with. Number one is the how many email you've sent. Number two is the what is the total size of the emails that you sent with or without attachment, and number three is how much log you retained. Let's say you wanted to see the log, you can retain the logs up to 12 years. So per GB logs that it has created, it is a chargeable for 0.65 cent or $0.65 something like that. So again, let's go back to our analytical workspace. Click on let's discard this because we just created just new one. Okay, ACS email log. We just want these three logs in here. Send to the workspace. It might take some time, so let's try one more time. I think this time this should work. Okay, select send to the log analytics workspace. Yeah, now see email communication log that we have just created. Give it a name, ACS email log. Now save this one. So once you save this, then you can verify this settings that have been, yes, this is in here. So now here you will see the number of email that had been sent in last 12 hours or last like 7 days. So it will be shown here. You just give it some time because it in cloud it takes some time to get updated. So rest assured that you will see this log. So this is important, number one. Number two is that how you can trace or check the logs, right? So you can do this in here. There is an option called logs, and you have to run a queries, because in the log analytics workspace, as you can see, it is mainly a database that the log actually stored in here, and this database actually using an KQL query. So you have to run a KQL query, more like SQL query. So once you run those queries, you will see the results in here. So In my case, what I have done is that I have created three kind of queries. Those are most common. Number one is that I wanted to know every email status, so I can check the every email status in here, because note that if I click on in here, it will show me the numbers, right? How many email actually delivered, how much email that actually failed, so and how much email are suppressed. So these three I can get show in here. But if I need to know the details, like I send an email to an person, and I need to know that why his emails got rejected, or why the emails got bounced. So it might be numerous reasons that the user mailbox might be not be available, because you're sending a bulk email, so that mailbox might be not available, or the mailbox is full, that it did not accept the new messages. So I have to get those records. I need to know this record, so that it will update my database as a customer. So most of the customer actually that we provided the service, they ask us to configure this queries. So there are, you can as you can see, you can create lots of queries in here. So in our case, I'm using the three queries. One is the total email status, I can check by using this. Number two is that failure message check, that just it will show me the failed messages, not delivered one, the successful one, just the failed one. So it will filtering out the failed one. And the third one is that if I wanted to know the specific domain wise status, like I wanted to know that how much Gmail, let's say gmail.com email that I've sent is got rejected or delivered, so I can easily got this by running those queries. So I will share these queries in the description. So I'm just show you one, that how you can configure this one. Just you can copy this. So in here, what you can do is that you can run you can just select any queries, like just any queries, click on run in here, and then click on sample mode and use KQL mode. Okay, so delete this one and delete all those. Now paste in here. So just make sure to adjust the queries that you run. In this case, this is like time stand is like 6 hours. You can modify it with your preference. You can like get the query for 12 hours, or let's say you wanted to know the result for 30 days. So it is like D for days, H for hour, M for minutes. So you can modify it as per your requirement. So once you have paste it, you can save the query. Okay, so save the query, like in my case, email status. Okay, just save the query and also give the location for this query. Click on save. So once you have saved this query, so it will be easier that every time you don't have to copy paste it, because you can click on plus in here. You can search for the queries that we just create. You just search for email, and you see this is the email status. So just click in here. You can click on run. So once you run this, you will get the results under here. So right now I don't have any email, and I did not use these services to send a lot of email. That's why it's showing 000. But once I using these SMTP services and communicating using this service, it will show the number. So let me just share one information how it will look like uh, uh, with a customer portal, a POC portal. Just give it some time. So as you can see in here, this is one of the customer portal, and you can see in here it's like they have sent more than 36,000 email, and this is the status of the email that actually delivered. So 30 out of 36 k email, 34 k email are successfully delivered, and these are the failed message. So if you click on email product, you can see the performance in here, but in my case I will not click on that because of the confidentiality. So once you click it, you will see the email performance in here. Same as click on the logs in here. Once you click on the logs, you can run the queries that we have created. So see email status. So once you run this, okay, sorry, I have to click on KQL mode. Okay, last 6 hours, sorry, this is let's for 7 days. So last 7 days. So in here, as you can see, you can get the result in here, why it is failed, why if the mail is not delivered successfully, why it is failed. So it will be showing in here very very specifically why it is failed. So with the failure message or failed reason. So I think that's it for today, and that's it for this series. Thank you.